Alright guys, hey, welcome back. Everything RC's here. I want to talk to you today about more stuff we found at the junkyard. Here's our latest find. This one, my little brother finds them usually before when he's pushing stuff out of the dumps. He runs this dump in my area. And anyways, he usually saves them before they get hit. But this one actually got hit. So, but check it out. It's got a mechanical ESC. It did have 4 batteries on here. They were crushed, so I just cut that off and threw it away right where it was. I mean, check out all this old school stuff, guys. This is nice. But look at the damage. But believe it or not, even with this, we can, patch it up. And I think we can make it run, honestly, because it looks like it's in good shape. Well, was. And now this whole top thing right here, I can tell is just shattered because I've been picking pieces up. Every time I move it, it drops pieces. And then also, you can see where it's bent. See that? Wow. But, let's see. Our last find in the junkyard was not this one, but it's upstairs. I gave it to my grandson. Was a truck just like that. And it had a broken bearing carrier in the back. That was it. Had that part, slapped it back on and charged up to put another set of batteries in it, and literally been driving it. And we actually got that other battery that came with it to charge. And he's got 2 more I gotta go pick up. It's gonna be a low C. I don't know what the other one is. It kind of looks like a Max Stone crawler, but we'll see what it is. But anyways, we're going to tear into this piece by piece and see if we can restore it and bring it back, just to operational status, because it is what it is. It's good grief, it's old. If we can get everything to work, I'm pretty sure I can find replacement tires. And this top piece, if we can't find it, we can make it. I'll have the guys out at work laser one out of tie. It'll be kind of cool. And then whatever other parts we can manufacture, 3D print or just make. But I haven't even looked into these. I'm going to see what the spare parts are like to get. I've got the radio and everything, so we're going to see if we can get this put back together and running. So now I'm going to take it slowly apart. I'm going to do what we call a level 1 kit here at Everything RC's, and that's where we put it in a kit form. When you buy a RC car back in the day, it came in a kit, and every single piece was taken apart. And so that's what we're going to do here. We'll reverse that. I'll take everything off. We'll assess what's damaged. We'll get right into the tranny, rebuild that, replace any. I'm just going to see if I can repair the servo horns on this and just run this as is. And I've got some old batteries like this, so see what we can do. Because these are all good. They just got popped off, it looks like, when it got squashed. So we got 1, 2, 3 of them like that. So, yeah, let's see if we can get this baby running again and off original equipment. And if not, maybe we'll hop it up or something. I don't know. We'll see. But I think we'll just put it together and see if we can get it running as is. Because it is what it is. It's probably got plastic gears and stuff. I don't honestly know much about this brand at all. So, to be honest, I didn't even know it was Kyosho. That's embarrassing. I just know it was an Optima. Little brother's into these ones, so, but we're into the, everything else. And that stuff, that's why we call ourselves Everything RC's. I'll just give you a quick little showdown here of what we got. Everything in here, we have another war room that my buddy runs, and he has pretty much everything I have. We buy in duplicate. So, anyways, follow along if you want, and like and subscribe if you would, and maybe smash that like button, and give me a subscription if I can possibly earn your subscription. And follow along, guys, and we're going to get this baby running again, and see what we can't do to fix it. So this ought to be fun. So hope you join us. All right? Peace out.